你好. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to use measure words when counting. We're also learning how to ask how many in Chinese. Let's get started. Do you remember how to say friends? 朋友,朋友. What do you think this means? 女朋友,女朋友. We learned in the previous lesson that 女 means female. 女朋友 is girlfriend. How about boyfriend? 男朋友,男朋友. Nan means male. Hopefully, after today's lesson, you always find the right bathroom when you travel to a Chinese-speaking country. Next, let's learn a few numbers in Chinese. 1, 2, 3 goes like 一,二,三. 一 and 三 are relatively easy to pronounce. Everyone says R a little differently depending on where they're from. I say it like the English letter R, but with relaxed lips. R, R. Someone else might say it differently, but we always get enough cues from the context to know that we're talking about this number, so don't sweat too much about it. Now it's time to introduce an important concept, measure words. We have these in English as well for some of the nouns, like a piece of paper, 2 heads of cows, a school of fish. Measure words are used together with numbers to represent the amount of something. But unlike English, it's almost always necessary to use a measure word between a number and a noun. For example, 3 friends, 三个朋友,三个朋友. 个 is the most commonly used measure word. How do you say one girlfriend? 一个女朋友,一个女朋友. How about two girlfriends? 两个女朋友,两个女朋友. Wait, what happened to the R that we just talked about? R is used only for counting. We use 两 with measure words. Two friends, 两个朋友,两个朋友. Two teachers, 两个老师,两个老师. Two older brothers, 两个哥哥,两个哥哥. How do you say I have two older brothers? 我有两个哥哥,我有两个哥哥. Note that both 我 and 有 turn into second tones here because they're both third tones followed by third tones. 我有两个哥哥. I have two girlfriends. 我有两个女朋友。我有两个女朋友. Now it's time to learn how to ask the question of how many. The question pronoun is 几,几. 几 is usually used when you expect the answer to be a single-digit number. We replace the number with 几 to ask how many. Make sure to include the measure words. How many friends? 几个朋友,几个朋友. How many friends do you have? Literally, you're saying you have how many friends? 你有几个朋友?你有几个朋友? How many younger sisters do you have? 你有几个妹妹?你有几个妹妹? How many boyfriends do you have? 你有几个男朋友?你有几个男朋友? Let's check your learning with the following dialogue. I've got two actors here with me. This is A and this is B. Let's get started. 你有几个女朋友？我有两个女朋友。你呢？我没有女朋友。Let's do it one more time. 你有几个女朋友？我有两个女朋友。你呢？我没有女朋友。Hope you find this lesson helpful. See you next time. 谢谢，再见。